Welcome back, tech lovers. In today's video, I will present 7 amazing road technologies that makes our road network smoother and larger. A printing pavers machine that covers the ground in minutes, easy and fast. The ROLMEX power arm, which can be used for cutting heads to grass and bushes, road milling heads, ditch cleaners. The road zipper system shows us how we can have a real-time road configuration while maintaining positive barrier protection between lanes and more other road technologies. Tiger Stone. Let's face it, brick paving is a tiring and tedious job, but Tiger Stone changes all that, as this machine features a slow release system that makes the brick laying a breeze. An innovative machine launched by the Dutch company Van Coo BV and named Tiger Stone can lay various interlocking patterns of bricks simultaneously in a short period of time with much less effort for its operator. Put simply, workers use small bulldozers to load material into the hopper of the Tiger Stone, and then you only need to line up the bricks depending on the design of the road ordered. It can put down more than 300 meters squared of bricks a day. Block paving is an alternative to asphalt roads and is typically used on streets with relatively slow traffic, having a better aesthetic effect. However, the process of brick laying is time-consuming, as it's done manually and can be quite harsh on the workers' backs and knees. The machine can create brick roads from 1 to 6 meters wide. It is electrically powered, keeping its noise levels low, and the newest version, the Eco, can operate for a week straight on full charge. Number 2. Extreme Curb and Gutter Machine. Using 3D machine guidance, the Commander 3 Extreme Slipforms monolithic sidewalk and curb gutter. The operator has a complete view of the paving operation, from the delivery of concrete to the finished project, while always maintaining full control with the pivoting operator's panel. The Commander 3X features a platform that has a skid-resistant surface on the walkway for safety, and is vibration isolated for operator comfort during a full day of slip-form paving. Intelligent all-tracking positioning on the GOMACO Commander 3X includes a smart hydraulic cylinder on each of the 3 legs. The smart cylinders allow G+ to know the position of all 3 tracks and make steering adjustments as needed. G+, its control system that is both easy to learn and easy to operate. It has a lightning-fast processing speed and features two-way communications between the accessories and G+. Its instant digital feedback combined with a tight closed loop electronic and hydraulic control creates a G+ experience that is smooth, efficient, and accurate. Number 3. Pavijet MG7. The new compact mini asphalt paver, Pavijet MG7, is the latest innovation in the asphalt finishing sector. The mini asphalt Pavijet MG7 can also bypass any obstacle on the way, like advertising boards and trees thanks to its retractable screed. The small paver MG7 can be connected with any skid loader, and the material can be loaded directly into the hopper from the truck. The machine is directly controlled by the operator on the skid loader, and also by a small remote control. Pavijet MG7 can lay out hot and cold asphalt, as well as cement, sand, and crushed stones. It is possible to use the same machine to fulfill and later to pave. No other finisher is able to do this. This machinery is perfect also to lay down the sand before the brick paving. Number 4. ROLMEX SP90. This cutting head solves the problem with rolled shoulder that is situated higher than road and is difficult to remove rainwater from the roadway. The ROLMEX power arms can be connected to diverse and easy exchangeable hydraulic heads such as cutting heads to grass and bushes, road milling heads, ditch cleaners, trucks milling heads, and cutting heads to bushes and branches. ROLMEX is also a manufacturer of cutting heads suitable for excavators and backhoe loaders. This type of cutting heads consider different work conditions and more complicated hydraulic systems than similar cutting heads for tractors. The cutting heads are suitable for all common excavators like Cat, Caterpillar, JCB, Case, Hitachi, Hyundai, Liebherr, Volvo, Komatsu, and others. For road maintenance connecting to melioration, ROLMEX offers special machinery to cleaning water courses and the wide-range boom mowers used in all specific ground conditions. Special ditch cleaners are available in different configurations depending on diameters of ditches. Number 5. Road Zipper System. The Road Zipper System for Lindsay Transportation Solutions is a movable barrier technology for managed lanes and construction applications. Movable barrier is used to create safe, dynamic highways that offer real-time road configuration while maintaining positive barrier protection between lanes. For managed lane facilities, movable barrier is used in areas where there is tidal traffic flow to redistribute unused capacity from the off-peak traffic direction to give more lanes to peak traffic. There are two main types of managed lanes facilities that can be created with movable barrier: movable medians and contraflow lanes. The movable median is most commonly applied to bridges and other highways with few center structures. The barrier is moved back and forth multiple times a day to reconfigure the roadway based on the needs of peak traffic. Construction work zones also benefit from movable barrier. For shoulder and median work, the barrier can be stored at the edge of the road and moved out during off-peak traffic periods to increase the size of the work zone. Number 6. Python 5000 Pothole Patcher. The Python 5000 is a self-propelled pothole patching machine that keeps the streets and roads well maintained. It will make long-lasting patches using standard asphalt mixes and has the unique ability to make continuous repairs to long cracks and joints in the road. One person can easily carry out the entire patching operation without ever leaving the comfort and safety of the operator's cab. The operator fills the hopper with asphalt mix of their choice, either hot or cold. The hopper keeps the asphalt at the desired temperature by capturing heat from the engine exhaust. The auger system carries the required amount of asphalt mix from the hopper and delivers it to the pothole. The roller provides the finishing touches, compacting the asphalt and leaving behind a long-lasting patch that's superior to those created by manual methods. The entire procedure takes less than 2 minutes for an average-sized pothole. The Python has sufficient warning lights so urban streets and smaller, less traveled roads won't require any road closures. Number 7. Optimas S19 Pavijet. Optimas paving machine is designed for paving in a mechanized way. The machine itself, with the help of a gripper, takes a whole row of pads and puts them in place. The work functions are controlled with the help of a joystick. The S19 Pavijet is fast, with optimum site organization. It installs the pavers in 20-second cycles, can lay over 11,000 square feet per day. No matter whether on a smaller or larger construction site, the perfect combination of the 2-axle turntable steering and the endless grab turning gear means that the machine is always optimally usable. Whether laying on the underground car parks or picking up stone layers from pallets on top of each other, with a weight of 2.6 meters, there is no limit. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and don't miss our next video. All the best.